fondue between friends is a lot of fun, except when your forks keep getting tangled. Starfrit innovates with the new 3-in-1 fondue set. With the new magnetic fork guide, forks now stand upright. No more tangles. The burner has a unique adjustable slider for better heat control. And the pot is stovetop compatible, includes a ceramic insert for cheese and chocolate fondue. The new 3-in-1 fondue set with magnetic fork guide, another innovation from Starfrit.
I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart cast iron fondue set. Who doesn't like to make fondue? It's so much fun, whether you're making cheese or chocolate or even a fried fondue. The great thing about these cast iron pieces is that you take this directly to the stove and you prepare your fondue, and then you're able to bring it back to the stainless steel stand and keep it nice and hot. This cast iron retains heat really well. It comes with your color-coded forks, so you can keep track of whose fork is whose. Comes with the splatter guard and also has notches, as you notice, which allow you to put your fondue fork in there. There's lots of great things that you can use for fondue, whether it's cheese like we made today. This happens to be some pepperoni, some bread, and some apples. Some other great things that I like to use are fresh vegetables like broccoli or asparagus, and sometimes people even like to try a little raw onion. And don't forget, when you're doing your chocolate fondue, to use strawberries and things like pretzels or even some dried fruit. The other thing that the fondue pot comes with is this dual fuel burner set. So you're able to use alcohol, chafing gel, or standard 2-ounce sternos. So this is multiple pieces, and it also, when you can close this off and control the amount of the flame. So that's that. And today we actually, like I mentioned, made some cheese fondue. I'm just going to dip a little bit in here. Show you how easy it is after we've cooked it. Okay. I'm going to just use another little fork. Like I mentioned, there's multiple types of fondues that you can make. It's a great fun thing to do. The real benefit of having the ability to use the cast iron does a great job also of retaining the heat when you bring it back to the stand. And then you can just maintain the heat with the fuel source. What couldn't be more fun than having a great fondue party on a cold winter's night with your family and friends?